In a world where energy markets are constantly fluctuating, one thing remains certain. The Ukraine war and U.S. oil inventories continue to hold sway over global crude prices. But here's where it gets controversial. How much influence do these factors really have? And what does this mean for the future of the oil industry? Let's dive into the latest developments. Despite the roller coaster ride of the past few days, oil prices have managed to stabilize on Wednesday. Following a significant dip in the previous session, investors are keeping a close eye on the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, as well as the latest figures from the U.S., which reveal a decrease in crude inventories. U.S. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff is set to meet with Ukrainian representatives in New York this week, amid ongoing talks with Russia aimed at finding a resolution to the war. Meanwhile, across the pond, Brent crude futures have dropped 4 cents to $67.18 per barrel, while West Texas Intermediate, WTI, crude futures have fallen 3 cents to $63.22. After starting the week at their highest levels since early August, both contracts experienced a decline of over 2% on Tuesday. However, there's a silver lining. The American Petroleum Institute's, API, weekly supply report indicates that U.S. crude, gasoline, and distillate inventories decreased last week. This data is expected to be confirmed by official inventory figures later today. Tomas Varga, an analyst at oil broker PVM, believes that the API report has played a crucial role in stabilizing prices. But that's not all. Recent drone attacks on Russian refineries by Ukraine have forced the country to export crude it can no longer process. In response, Russia has revised its crude oil export plan from Western ports, increasing shipments by 200,000 barrels per day in August from the initial schedule. These events have sparked a debate among experts about the true impact of geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions on oil prices. Some argue that the market is merely reacting to short-term fluctuations, while others believe that these factors could have long-lasting effects on the industry. What's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.